Gonna draw a fender for a tire. So basically what we want to do is go to model, Taurus. Draw a Taurus, diameter about 15 inches, and the size of the width of the tire 8 inches. So there's my tire. It's recording alright. So it's tire. What I want to do is make a copy of this. I'll make it a distance. Oh, I'll go to the top. So if I had a curve like this, if I thickened it, it would thicken on top of it. So it would be like an offset. Offset 101. We'll go like this. It'll thicken it this way. You can't thicken it this way because it overlaps itself. Anybody understand? No? Alright, I do a spline. That could help. No, actually a triangle. Alright, so if I thicken this, it would actually thicken this way. Now you might be wondering why it won't go inside. Because if it went inside, it just overlapped right here by the X. And that won't let you do it. So just keep that in mind. Anyways, I have an actual thickened fender. All I need to do next is just double check if it's actually giving it has a clearance. So I'm going to go to a right view. I'm just going to slice it right in the middle. Select that object, that ortho on, slice. Move this over. Actually, oops, click that one. I'm going to go to top view, select one of these, move it over. Oh, I made a copy because I have the object. But here's my clearance. I can test it. So I can actually decide if I want to move the fender up or down or whatnot. But that's my clearance. I can even measure that out. Go undo. So back to my fender. And all I have to do next is just draw two screws. Well, the points where you screw it on the fender. And of course, some of them needs the light fixture, so you can cut that out. But that's there you go, a motorcycle fender or a scooter fender or a crotch rocket fender, whatever. So you can do custom stuff, and it's pretty easy. And stuff like that shape, you couldn't really do that on like SolidWorks or more engineering type programs like Inventor, SolidWorks. And that's where AutoCAD or CAD comes in, or AutoCAD. And that's when you want to use AutoCAD, is when you're doing stuff like that. And because you can't really do it in any other program. You can't do it in Revit, you can't do it in SketchUp by Google, I think doesn't even let you do that. That's the next project. I'll do this again. I'll get it more detailed because I will actually bring it up under. We'll actually design it. Any questions? I really want to get you guys comfortable with using loft between lines and then making it into a surface and using that to slice the things or thickening it to make actual parts. More 3D, 2D, 3D. So, and actually actually, in this case, I might want to. Oh, if anybody's interested, there's a motorcycle show this weekend at Rosemount. Jeez. And my computer froze. So, like this, here, I'm trying to move it. It froze on me. Probably the graphics. My graphics card isn't the best on this laptop. So to fix that, in that case, if your computer crashes like this, what you want to do is just save the file. If you can still save it, you better hope you do. Moto uh, Fender. You save it. Once you can see that the name came up as Fender, you can. Actually, I'm gonna have to minimize that one, minimize this one. I'm gonna close the motorcycle one, Fender, and I'm gonna reopen it. Just file open and open it. And it's not, yeah, and then it's there. There we go. Oops. Oops. Ah. So there we go. I didn't lose it. But for this one, I actually might want to change something. Front, back. Let's say I don't want it a rough cut like this, and I want it more round. It's easy to fix. You can just draw an arc you want, move it over, and then just use slice command. Except you want to extrude this piece first. Extrude. So there. And slice. Select the fender. Select the surface. Enter. Enter. Delete. 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 There we go. Guess it doesn't really look different, but it is. And then you can pretty much send it out to the sheet metal guy. Wait. Well, I think this one's pretty good. Actually, what we can do is actually send this out to get it CNC. The CNC room. Maybe they'll be up for it. But 9 o'clock, so I'll give you the last 30 minutes of the actual class to work on your project, your chess set, or if you have any questions, whether you want to work on Thunder. Well, I'll try to get the specs for the tires. Questions? Anything? Maybe I'm a really good teacher. You guys are scared of me. There's no laughs. Oh my god.